So we just picked up a snack. This is Kelly's frozen lemonade, soft made, Minute Maid ice cream. I have gone for frozen banana with chocolate and peanuts, and of course
The must-have.
the Coke because it is hot. So we're gonna eat these and get back to you soon. This is where they show you Kite Tails. This one's the story of the Lion King. Rawr. So let's have a look. Woo. Oh, this one's Jungle Book. So you got King Louis.
Don't stand under a tree while eating.
Nasty. Don't stand under a tree while eating. She's got bits in it.
Right, that's in that then.
Ugh. Yeah, we need any more of that. Ugh. Here he goes, King Louis. All made out of kites. It's quite nice. And ridden by jet skis. Ooby-doo, I want to be like you. Ooby-doo. I want to talk like you, walk like you. And here we have Kevin from the Up Show, from Up. It's amazing what you can see when you're just sitting around. Literally, Kevin just walked straight past us, was like, what? How awesome is that? Yeah, he's actually from Up. So when we went to the bird show the other day, we were happy to see Kevin and Doug, but they weren't there. But at least, no, that's Kevin, sorry, we went to see Russell and Doug. But at least we went to Kevin. Here comes Kevin! Oh, Big Bird! Turns out Kevin's actually a girl. Here we enter Adventurous Outpost, meet Mickey and Minnie. So we're about to meet Mickey and Minnie. So can't wait, yes. This is my Minnie, I'm my Mickey. We can't wait to meet these guys. So check out a bit. Hi! Can you just tell the video camera for us? Thank you. It's video.
It's good. Awesome, come in the middle. I don't need to hit anything, right? That's good? Perfect. Awesome.
Thank you.
Hugs, hugs. Brilliant. Thank you so much, guys.
Meet Mickey and Minnie. Awesome. Thank you. Through the door you go. Into the heat again. We meet Mickey and Minnie.
That was really worth the lightning lane for that.
Oh god, yeah, that was so awesome.
It was so quick.
Yeah, we literally skipped the whole queue. It was just perfect.
It was like 5 minutes, then the queue was 45 minutes.
Yeah, so we are being in there, mate, for this lightning lane. They loved your ears.
I know. It doesn't look my ears.
I don't know. They're just fluffy and just you. Oh yeah, yeah. That's perfect for you, darling.
Thank you.
Right, so we are going to go see some animals, and we shall come back later and check you out.
We're going to do something else. We're going to go on one more ride today, I think.
Yes, one more ride.
And then first.
Animals first, yeah. So, catch you up back like. Hi guys. So, where are we, Kat?
Nomad Lounge.
We are in Nomad Lounge. Right there is Tiffin's, and that way is Nomad Lounge. What are we getting?
What can you get in Nomad Lounge?
A lot of things, I'm sure.
But we are getting some gluten-free churros to go.
Churros! We're actually going to get some churros.
They were $9, but with tax it came to $9.59.
That's actually good value.
Yeah.
But we'll see what happens when we get there. How many you get. But gluten-free. You can't often get gluten-free churros, so whilst we're here, we had to take the opportunity to get them. And we knew they were here.
It doesn't say anywhere you can get them to go, but you can. You just walk up and say you want the gluten-free churros to go, and they direct you where to go.
Yep, just walk up to the bar, order your churros, we're sitting in a little seat, and they bring them straight to us. I can't say better than that, can you?
No.
So, we'll catch you when they come out. Bye for now. Okay guys, they come in a little bag. It says Walt Disney Park.
Sorry.
Walt Disney World Park Resorts. They come in a little brown box. Ooh, this should be good. Oh, look at those guys. Kind of sauces. Oh. Oh my god, they smell so interesting.
Get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 churros.
For $9. That's
Wow.
cool.
They're quite decent size as well, actually. So, let's tuck in.
The sauces. Sauce first. Yeah, very nice. Alright.
Oh my god.
Try it with a little bit of sauce. There. It's the coffee sauce. Yeah. Like sort of a cream. Look at that.
They taste so cinnamony, so fresh. They're unbelievable. So, we're going to tuck in these and we'll bring up to you later. Okay guys, so I've had them as well and oh my god. They're so nice! You wouldn't even say they were gluten free, would you?
Well, I can't tell what normal churros taste like, so.
Who is that? I can tell that they are definitely the real Milky Way. They're just so nice. It's a shame you only get 5. They're just too good. The coffee cream, oh my god, so nice. But the other cream was like a vanilla cream. It was cold against the warm churro. That worked really well too. So
yeah, I think 10 out of 10.
I kind of want to go out and get some more. Mustn't be greedy. Must not be greedy. Okay, we won't get some more this time.
We might have to make a trip back just for them.
Yeah, we'll make a special trip just for these ones because I want more, and that's coming from me. And if I say that, you know it's good, right?
I think you might be getting 2 orders next time.
That's a brilliant idea. Why didn't I think of that? That's why I married her. So, we're going to walk around and we will catch you guys later.